What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rayware Computers since 1996. If you're struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites, you're not alone. If you're having problems getting your affiliate sites going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that box right there. Now, Facebook, man. You may or may not know from some of my other videos that I'm in the woodworking niche. I've been in it for a long time now, probably 2014, I think I started it. 2015 and 16 got it going pretty good. Okay. Now, I'm still getting some organic likes on this page now. Initially, I set it up incorrectly because I didn't use keywords in the domain name, number one. Okay, let me show you this real quick. Okay, this has changed probably 100 times, my lead capture page, over the years. Okay, and I made this in Aweber. Okay, now Aweber, I happen to like Aweber. They're great tech support. They have great tech support. It's easy to use. Okay, and it's a pretty stable program. Not much downtime over the years. Okay, and you know they want you to succeed, like most of these companies, and they allow you. You know, they give you all kinds of stuff. Now I've got several landing pages, bridge pages, leads pages, whatever you want to call them. These pages like this, when you do an ad like on Facebook and you send them here and you use it as a bridge page, they work very well because there's no pop-up exit or anything like that, you know. And it, you know, it's not like they don't want you to send a link from an ad to like a page that's forwarded. Okay, unless it's got what they call status. Status means that your site's been online for a long time and it's highly recognized by Google. Okay. Okay, so all these different types of pages that I made. I was into doing the beard oil thing. I try to cross-reference a niche from woodworking to beards. Didn't work out very well. Made a couple of sales, but it was a wash, you know. But remember, I believe it was Mandela that said it, okay? I never lose. Either I win or I learn, okay? So even when things were a wash, I learned quite a bit, okay? Now, you know, I made a video site. This I put on my website because, you know, on the main page, there's really not much SEO going on a lead capture page, okay? Unless you had it up there for 100 years or so. So this puts quite a bit of SEO on my site, and you can do it on your site too. I believe I made a video on how to create these video sites with the PLR products, okay? I'll leave a link in the description because there's not much SEO going on this, okay? So on my Facebook, I noticed, you know, today is what? Today is right there, okay? We're talking September 4th, a few days after that Ida storm. I'm over here in Rahway, New Jersey. We got hit pretty hard. Thank God we didn't lose power. But we lost a lot of people in New Jersey, and my heart goes out to them. But I digress on that. So, you know, this actual page, okay, I believe it was the third time that I deleted it and I recreated it. Of course, it's a fan page, okay? It's a fan page. As you can see up here, that's my main page, okay? So Facebook, you know, like you could boost these posts, which is a great way to do it, okay? As a matter of fact, I'm going to teach you how to do a let's see what happened now. Okay, so this is, it got rejected for the second time, this ad. Okay. Now, the craziest thing about it, because now Facebook has a new platform. Okay. Facebook has a new platform. Let's go here. And I found it very easy to run an ad. Okay. Because I did it with my RWC web thing. Just recently, I put up a Facebook page, and I boosted a post, and it went very well. Okay, I got a lot of sign-ups. So with this, the funniest thing about this, it said it was rejected. Okay. Now, let me see if I could. All right, sorry about that glitch. Hit the wrong key. Let me zoom this in for you, okay? Okay, because it appears to be for an employment opportunity and isn't identified as being a specific ad category. Choosing the correct category is important and part of complying with our non-discrimination advising. Okay, now, here's the deal. This particular ad, in the past, and I mean like before I got shut down, before the covert, for making a mistake of actually clicking that. Okay, I actually clicked that by mistake. And they shut me down for a year because they thought it was a political ad. Okay, see, they thought it was a political ad. So they shut me down. Now, prior to that, before I made the mistake and accidentally clicking this, okay, and as you can see, this is my ad. I did not click that. Okay. So there's something obviously going on. I figured, I saw people organically going to my Facebook and, signing up. Okay. And, I said, what the hell? Let me run an ad. Let me run an ad. Let me run an ad because, people are starting to like the page organically. I should have just left it go. I should have just left it go. Okay. And what I should have did was I should have put the ad in here and then boosted the post. Now, a lot of gurus tell you that boosting a post don't do shit, but it does. Okay. Now, what the deal is, okay, let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. Okay. What the deal is I just don't get it with Facebook. Okay. It's all done by the computer. Okay. It's all done by the computer. See, now it's telling me, all right, so they won't, this is new right here. I've never seen this before. So now maybe they looked at all the thousands of dollars that I've been spending over the years on it and failing tremendously with it. Just literally failing tremendously with it. Okay. It's very discouraging. And for me, it's been very costly. It's been very costly. Now, don't get me wrong, I've had a lot of successes, but I would suggest if you're just starting out, in the beginning, make one basic Facebook page that really is just like a generic thing. Don't put your name on it. Okay, don't put your business name on it. Maybe you could put your whatever niche you're in on it, but make it a very basic thing. Okay. And then when you create these fan pages, because here's what happens. Once you get locked down, you can't delete nothing, you can't change nothing, you can't do nothing but post. Okay? So, that's that in a hat with Facebook. Now, I don't really teach Facebook because I haven't mastered it in all these years. I haven't been able to master it. But here's the deal with this. I ran this same ad many, many times and it never got rejected. It's only when I tried to change things around. Okay. Now I saw the ad was doing okay in the beginning and I figured, okay, let me try and split test it and do a couple of things, maybe change the picture And I'm thinking maybe their algorithm here is looking at the word working. Okay, working with it might be an algorithm, you know, but it is what it is. You know, it was against my better judgment. I did it when it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, and it was a stupid call. And that's lesson learned again, which I should learn my lesson by now. All the years I've been doing this, you know, not to do stuff while you're tired, especially on a computer. Don't do it while you're tired. Certainly don't, you know, do any drunk or sleep texting or, you know, using your credit card online while you're exhausted. And don't get discouraged. When these things fail, don't get discouraged. Try to learn as much as possible with it. Take notes on it. Okay? So this is Ray from rwcweb.com. Trying to help you guys with your affiliate marketing websites. Got my YouTube channel going pretty good. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to tell you.